Hello, hello. How are you? I have got, here, watch out for that, turn it around. Got my little group here, and we are unboxing a special Yum box. Universal Yums from, and this month's box is from Egypt. Now, each month, this subscription is $15. And each month you get a different box from a different part of the world. Me and my son love this subscription, and we love unboxing it and trying all of the snacks. But this month I have special guests. So everybody welcome Emma and River. They are my buds and my grandkids, and we are going to taste this month's snacks and see which ones are yum and see which ones are yuck. So, go grab a snack, something to drink. I got my coffee. Cheers. Sit back. Relax. And let's dive into this box from Egypt. Yeah. Okay, open her up, River. Alrighty, so it comes with a little booklet and a little card. Oh, you want to look at the booklet? And on the card, there's a whole map of Egypt. Yes. And it's got all the snacks on it and their nutritional information and stuff like that inside of the booklet. And it also has a ton of information about Egypt. So, here's the box when we open it up with all of the snacks. Now, what did you pick out, River? What's that bag? It's in Egyptian, so it's kind of hard to read. Oh, you picked a good one, too. So these are what? Tomato puffs? Crazy tomato puffs. All right, let's open them up. Let's give these babies a try. Smell it.
You smell it.
It smells like tomato. Oh, it smells like fresh, raw tomato. That's kind of weird. All right, give it a try. No. All right, I'll try it. Let me see. No, I don't like them. They definitely taste like fresh tomato, which is awkward to me. No, we got this one. Now try to read that one, River.
No, mine.
Emma picked that one, but let him read it, babe. I don't like puffs in general, and these definitely just look like regular cheese puffs. But they do have like an awkward fresh tomato taste. And if you like fresh tomato, then you'll definitely like those. Okay, Emma picked out Duetto. And their dates. Oh, they look like Fig Newtons. Okay. Let's see what these babies taste like. Do you like Fig Newtons, River? Yeah? I think I need scissors for these. All right.
Just one try them first.
I will. Ooh, look at that. Those are big. I like Fig Newtons. Mmm.
Nice one.
Those are good.
Mmm.
Mmm. Yeah. I like those. What do you think, River?
Good.
Yeah.
Bye.
Mmm. Yeah, I really like those.
I'm gonna try this. Everybody gets a
Oop,
hat.
okay, let's see this is. Spaghettis.
It tastes like an apple.
Apple, you're right. Okay. Looks kind of like a Twizzler thing, I guess.
Open it.
Yeah, let's see if you can open it. Ooh, tiger chips. Interesting. Oh, you got the scissors for the SpaghettiOs? Apple SpaghettiOs.
Everybody gets a small half.
Yeah, they look like Twizzlers. Oh, Emma, can you give me some more of that fig cookie? Thank you. Oop, don't drop it.
Yeah. I'm about to try it with a small piece.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mimi don't like those.
You know what?
How is the SpaghettiOs?
Okay.
Want to try the SpaghettiOs?
Okay, so no.
Those are good. They don't, I kind of expected them to be a little sour, like sour apple, because it looked like a green apple.
Okay. They're good.
Emma, try that. It's really good. It's like a fruit snack. You want to do that next? Ooh, they look like pretzels.
I'll just eat the whole thing.
Original pretzel.
How many more bites?
Ooh, okay.
Yummy. I'm gonna do this one.
All right, cool. Yep, let's use the scissors to open that.
I'm glad I picked the good one.
You did. All right, let's smell it. What's pretzel smell like? Does it smell like pretzels?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I was wrong. Now mine.
Oh, we don't do that. We share. We've all got to try it. How is it?
Yeah.
You like it? One thumbs up or two?
Two. This is seeds, I think. You.
Oh, I love those. Pretzels are so good.
Ah. How
Yeah, 2 thumbs up on those. It tastes like ranch flavor or something. Yeah.
Oh.
What's this? Okay, let's read it. Wave. Chocolate extra. So it looks like wafers with chocolate. And then some nut.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's Egyptian.
Like this too.
Yeah? I love those pretzels. Can I have more? Oh, where are you going? In your mermaid outfit. Oh, you got your mirror? With your beautiful makeup job we did? Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh, yes. I love the makeup you did on me. I absolutely love it. Oh, yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah? All right, sit down.
Now I want to try.
Are you going to try the chocolate bar?
Mm-hmm.
You got to sit down.
Are you going to keep it, Emma?
Can you show them what the chocolate bar looks like, Ems? Oh, yeah.
Are you going to keep it?
How's that taste?
Yeah.
Have a bite?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're getting chocolate all over your hands. Mmm. Mmm. Thank goodness for wipes. There you go.
I'm just going to lift my hand.
Oh, that chocolate is so good. So creamy and rich. Wow.
Rich?
Yeah, those wafers are good. Yeah, 2 thumbs up on the chocolate wafer bar.
And 2 thumbs up 4.
Good job, Emma. How'd you like the chocolate? 1 thumbs up or 2?
2.
2. Okay. All right, now we've got the tiger chips. Looks like there's hot peppers and lemon.
Okay.
Ooh.
It's up to you to think. We're going to try it first.
Yeah, I don't like hot stuff either. So, I don't know if I'm going to like these. All right, I can smell the lemon.
No. No.
They look like ruffles.
Mm.
Mm-mm. Oh, no.
It's hot. Let me see your mouth. Let me see.
Yeah. Lemony and super spicy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, your mouth.
Mm-mm.
Uh-huh.
No, sit down. Mimi needs to drink something.
Drink your coffee.
Let me have a bite of the chocolate. Quick. Give Emma a bite of that.
And then one bite of tiger chips.
Oh, no, those are horrible. I mean, if you like spicy stuff, then you might like those chips. But, yeah, they're so not for me. They definitely have jalapeno peppers and stuff in them, which,
Look at my hands.
as far as I'm concerned, ooh, heck no. Oh, Emma, sit down and give your brother the wipe. Where's the wipey you had?
I don't need no wipe. I'm going to lick it.
Oh, no, here's the one she used. Just give him that one. It's still wet. Put it down right there.
I don't need this. A wipe. I want this to be a last part. Well, really on my face.
Mmm.
I wiped my hands.
Good job.
I hope we never get those tiger chips.
Yeah, no, those are horrible. Yeah, we're all yumming on that chocolate wafer thing.
We need Whit Mason try one.
Oh, heck yeah. Mm.
And
All right,
Mom.
wipey again. All right, last thing.
What is it?
Oh.
Can I show it?
Mm-hmm. Sit down.
No. Okay. Oh,
We
it's
can't
glossy.
stand in front of the camera, baby. We gotta finish the show. All right, good job. What's this? We gotta hold it up. Close. It looks like scallions.
I'm gonna show the lipstick.
Oh, you're putting more lippy on?
What?
Just putting more lippy on. Lipstick. Mmm.
I like this time.
Me too.
A lot of times when I walk, I hold it like that.
Ooh, yeah, you gotta be careful with scissors.
I think I'm supposed to cut it right here.
Ooh.
Let me put some on you. I think you're going to try it first because you got it. Oh, there's some hitsy.
Is it another wafer thing?
Yeah. Stop, Emma. Oh.
Thank you.
Some stuff tastes nasty and some stuff tastes good.
Okay. It smells like vanilla.
Vanilla.
Mmm, that's good.
Who we got caught? Tastes like ice cream.
I like it. Here, sit down, Emma. Try the wafer. It's good. Good.
Oh, let's go.
Careful, girl.
Let's go.
Finish up the video. Sit down. We still gotta finish.
Let's
You
go.
like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say bye. Bye-bye. All right. So what do you think?
Good and bad.
Good and bad. Right. You got it. These were really good. The fig Newton
These
looking
are
things.
better. The apple thing was good.
Mm-hmm.
The chocolate thing was good.
Mm-hmm. adjust the camera now that we don't have to keep it lower for her. What else did you like? Did you like the tomato puffs? No. Pretzels?
Yes.
Yes. The Fig Newton wafers?
No.
I liked them. I thought they were really good. And I feel like the outside of these is a little crispier and tastes better, a little bit better than the Fig Newtons. I like these better than I like Fig Newtons, which is good.
The best to me?
Mm.
The apple.
You like the apple the most? Mm-hmm. That was your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Alrighty. So that is our Universal Yum Box for the month of August 2020. And we...
No, you can call it 2020.
2020. That's what he said. So, thanks as always for coming to hang out with us. River, are you going to say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
I can sit down and say goodbye to everybody.
Oh, bye-bye.
Everyone left me. Thanks as always for hanging out with me and the other ones now that they've left me. Thank you guys so much. I love these unboxings, and I know my son's going to be bummed out that we did this without him. But I'm saving him some of the snacks, so you shouldn't mind too much. That is it. Thank you, and I love you guys. Love you. Make sure you don't miss my other video with the beautiful makeover I got from my Emma. And we had fun doing that. I will link that up here. So, once again, thank you. And let me grab this. I love you guys. Love you. I will talk to y'all soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.